spacious living area, and they have divided the foyer area with easy access. So the open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. Master bedroom is right over here. The cozy Century Real Estate is coming up with their newly launched project right here in Yelahanka, North Bangalore, with the code name Winning Kind. Hello everyone and very warm welcome to Housey. And today we are here to check out their 2.5 BHK model flat. So before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing in front of the main entrance. So this is our entrance gate. So the land parcel starts from here, and once you enter, your marketing office is on the right hand side over here. We'll be getting all the information, details, and even you can check out the model unit as well. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And Century Yelahanka is spread across 15.7 acre of land parcel, and there will be total of 3 phases. Each phases consist of 2 towers, now launching with phase 1 consisting of 2 towers with 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. And the project provides you 50 plus kid-centric amenities like a 50,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play zone, landscape garden, multi-purpose court, and many more. Now let's discuss the location part. And the project is located opposite to Attur Lake, bang on Attur Road in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the Attur Lake just opposite to our project, giving you perfect lake view apartment. And this is the Attur Road. So this road will connect you towards Anantapura main road, and the opposite side road will take you towards Yelahanka main road. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Kashi Vishwanath Mandir in just 170 meters. RMZ Galleria Mall is 2 kilometers away from your location. So this is your 2.5 BHK sample flat of 1450 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So before you step in, let me show you the main entrance that comes up with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And right over this side is your L-shaped living and the dining area. So let's focus upon the living area, the spacious living area, and they have divided the foyer area with this structure. And now you can have a look over this side with the couches, the sofa set, and right over this side is your TV unit. The balcony, the connecting balcony, once you step outside the balcony, you can have a look with wooden finishing, anti-skid flooring, iron drilling, and this balcony will give you perfect view of the city and even lake view. Now before you step inside, let's focus upon this dining area, the spacious dining area. And this dining area is exactly placed in front of the kitchen area with easy access. So the open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. You can have a look at this kitchen area with the platforms, the cabinet over here, the refrigerator space, and the utility area which is enclosed over here, divided via half-wall structure, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the provision for your machine is provided. Now all the bedrooms are over this side. So you have to walk through the passage area, and your 0.5 room is right over here. And this is the spacious 0.5 room. Isn't it just like your bedroom? So you can set this room with a study area, your workspace, or even you can convert this room into the bedroom area, because easily you can have a look. There is a bed space right over here. There is ample of space to move around. Here's a wardrobe space as well, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Exactly in front of this room is your washroom, the common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 1 is right over this side. So this bedroom, you can have a look, the spacious one with a huge bed space in center of the house, the TV unit space, wardrobe space, the cozy bedroom is right over here, and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can have a look, they have even provided the grill over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you all with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. These wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. So your master bedroom is right over here, the cozy one, the spacious one, the most spacious room of the house, with a huge bed space, wardrobe space. Right here they have added up the dressing area, the TV unit, and even you can add up the work table as well. Comes with a private balcony as well, with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. So you can enjoy a perfect view by a sip of coffee. Now, your private washroom, the master washroom, is right over this side, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Yelahanka location. Have you checked another project in Yelahanka? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.